The Dog Water Fountain FS68 features an impressive 2.5-gallon capacity, making it suitable for both cats and dogs of all sizes, as well as multiple pets at once. Equipped with a smart LED light and an ultra-quiet pump, this fountain ensures minimal noise while providing visual alerts when water levels are low or when the pump requires maintenance. The large-size filter employs a comprehensive filtration system, utilizing coconut shell carbon, cotton mesh, and sponge layers to maintain fresh and clean water by effectively removing odors and debris. Constructed from food-safe ABS material, the fountain is both durable and easy to clean, with included tools like tweezers and a small brush to aid in regular maintenance. The thoughtful design encourages pets to drink more by keeping the water in a continuous flow, which many animals find more appealing than stagnant water. With considerate after-sales service, including the availability of replacement pumps and prompt support, the Seabay's Dog Water Fountain FS68 ensures customer satisfaction.